Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove your Apple Watch from your account. It is going to work the same on all Apple Watches, so it doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have. And today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation. And if you want to remove your Apple Watch from your account, your Apple ID account, you need to go to settings and go to your account. And as you can see, here you're going to have displayed your Apple Watch that is connected to your specific Apple ID account. And as you can see, I can show you that this is the specific watch by going to General and About. As you can see, A Watch 123, A Watch 123, so this is the specific Apple Watch that is connected to this account. And you want to go in. And now, as you can see, there is option that is called Remove from Account. If you're going to click on it, the Apple Watch is going to inform you that removing the Apple Watch from your account cannot longer be used to approve new devices or use iCloud or other services until you sign on the specific Apple Watch again to your account. So if you want to remove it, you just click Remove. And now, as you can see, you have removed your Apple Watch from your Apple ID account. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!